When an artist creates a work, every aspect of said work has purpose and intent behind it. Whenever you see a drawing, painting, wood carving, sculpture, etc., every minute detail has been placed with intent. The patterns on the floor, the color of the pebbles, the hue of the sky. Digital artists may not have created the brushes that they are using on their pictures, but at least they chose them. Even their mistakes are made from their choices. But what about photographs? Well, photographers choose what goes into their pictures. Well, they can't get rid of annoying details in the background, yeah, but they had the choice to let these details get in the background. Whenever people use an AI-generated imagery software, they only know the big picture. They know the subject, object, and action, maybe the background. But they don't know what the minute details are going to be like. They just have to wait for the AI to give them something. Well, artists aren't able to get everything that they want on their work either, yeah, but the crude substitutes or approximations depicted are their choices. Silent Hill musicians in the 80s chose the notes from their limited arsenal of sounds. Visual and sound effect artists choose the different sounds and tricks to combine to make outerworldly effects. But what does the AI artist choose exactly? Nothing, unless they ask for the picture of someone famous or sub in their image. Somehow they can't even choose what the subjects look like. If people want to make pretty pictures or even fun reimagining of current concepts, that is cool and all. Maybe in the future, as AI becomes more advanced, we will reach a point where we get images that fit the vision of a person. But until the people using using these pictures can answer the question, why did you choose to make insert any detail look like this? They are not the artist, they just commissioned it. It would like Pope Julius II bragging that he created the frescoes on the Sistine Chapel's ceiling. AI artist exists because the said AI makes art, not really because of anything else. This seems like a redefining of artist to me. I got an art degree 50 years ago, and the current conversation about what is art already was a couple of thousand years old. Art is about seeing and consensus, not about making. It's also constantly evolving. With the exception of a few art critics, no one cares about the creator. They care about the creation. Paying attention because it connects to an audience, and serious artists can dismiss it as an original or as an algorithmic derivation of mass-market audience taste, but saying that won't change anything. From my perspective, AI art is more interesting and intriguing and expressive than most of what is being sold at galleries by serious artists. An AI artist is someone who uses AI to create AI art. It's a simple definition that is easily understood. Art is what people decide is art. This is how it always was, and rest assured, you will not come to change that. Well, I mean, they press the button and stuff.